The government will now try a new approach in the fight against coronavirus, as it now has at its disposal test kits that enable automatic testing.
We are enhancing testing and other capabilities. We are now able to undertake an average of 600 tests a day. This number will be scaled up in the coming days.
Kenya has reported 5 new coronavirus cases, bringing the country's total number to 189, according to the health CS, who also had some good news today in the middle of the not-so-good statistics.
I'm also glad to note that today an additional 10 individuals will be discharged from our Bagathi Covid-19 isolation facility. And this is good news indeed. It is a Good Friday.
But even as the government applauds Kenyans for taking seriously the pandemic, there is still a possibility of the number of the COVID-19 cases hitting 10,000 by the end of April, as had been projected last month, according to the Health Acting Director General Patrick Amoth.
Reason is that we have not gone to do community-based testing, and the results that we have been relaying to you here on a daily basis are basically results from our quarantine sites.
We have continued to test and managed to test some 504 samples. Out of this number, some 5 have tested positive for the coronavirus disease. Therefore, we now have 189 Kenyans with confirmed positive, confirmed as positive.
Meanwhile, Kenyans will be fined 20,000 shillings or sentenced to 6 months in jail if found not wearing a mask in cars or matatus. The government has gazetted hefty penalties for Kenyans if found breaking directives issued in line with the Public Health Act. A Kenya Gazette supplement number 41 signed by Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe indicates that failure to wear a mask while using public or private transport and failure to maintain social distance are among the offences that will attract the penalties. Eric Mnene, Ebru TV.